Hey there gamers, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to do the Mystic Falls quest, which is part of the Children of the Wood quest chain. So chances are you've just picked up this quest after getting the book from Poland, and the first thing that we want to do now is go to the north of Pywell up into the ancient rift just here. I do recommend that for this you use the fast travel nexus just outside of the children's village to at least get some of the distance back to Pywell. Now when you get to the ancient rift, you're going to see basically that you're going to be really high up and the rift is on the other side. Now if you don't have the stamina points to do a big jump, what I suggest you do is actually just make your way down the cliff very slowly. But if you've learnt flying and you've got a bit of step points and stamina, what you can do is just jump straight off the edge here and do a bit of gliding before going into a free fall and then come down again. And then once again we're going to make our way down. And what we're looking to do here is get to the very bottom. So we are going to be getting to the bottom of the ridge just here. And then once you reach the bottom, you will then come into this area here where you will find one of the children called Ara. And then all we need to do is go ahead and press Ctrl E to talk to her. And then after the chat dialogue and a quick cutscene, you will find that you have now completed the quest for Mystic Falls. Now just as a bonus tip for you, while we're in the Ancient Rift here, if you come to this part of the Ancient Rift, I'm about halfway down, I'll just show you here. And what you're going to look for is this broken bridge. You want to make your way up here. And if you actually come up here, you will find that there is an abyssal nexus that you can go ahead and activate for fast travel to and from this region. So I really hope that video helped, guys. Please do drop a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Now as you approach the area for the Desert's Edge maze, I just want to highlight where I am on the map here, as this is where you will be able to find an additional abyssal nexus to allow for fast travel. So just go ahead and activate that while you're here. Again, I'll just show you one more time on the map exactly where I am, just around here. So do go ahead and activate that.